Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to switch normal to log scale in TradingView. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your TradingView, and after that you can just simply tap on your keyboard Alt L and it will change into a log scale. And another option is just simply select this gear icon over here, or the settings, and from here you will have logarithmic, and you will have here the Alt L, which is the shortcut. And from there, guys, you should be able to switch normal to log scale in TradingView. So guys, you could just simply press the Alt key on your keyboard or go through the settings over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any question, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you on the next video.